Hey there, have you recently found yourself dealing with a bent TP-Link device? Don't worry, I'm here to help you. In this guide on how to fix a bent TP-Link device, we'll walk you through a few simple steps so you can get your device back in shape and working efficient. Whether it's a bent router antenna or a warped plug, we've got you covered with practical solutions. Step 1. Assess the damage. First things first, it's important to carefully assess the extent of the damage. Check if the bend has affected the device's functionality. Is it just a minor bend on the antenna, or is it a significant deformation affecting the connection to other devices or the power source? Understanding the damage will help you decide the best course of action. Remember that if the damage seems substantial or there's any risk of electrical hazards, it might be wise to contact customer support or a professional for assistance. Step 2. Gently bend it back. If the damage appears minor and there's no significant risk, you can attempt to straighten it yourself. Start by gently bending the warped component back to its original position. Use your fingers and apply even pressure to avoid further bending or breaking the material. If the bent part is an antenna, do this slowly and carefully to prevent it from snapping. For more sturdy components like metal parts, using a pair of pliers padded with a soft cloth can help you gain a better grip without causing additional scratches or damage. Step 3. Use heat for plastic components. In cases where the TP-Link device has plastic components that are warped, applying gentle heat can help. Use a hair dryer on a low setting to warm up the plastic slightly. Warm plastic becomes more malleable and is easier to reshape without cracking. Be cautious not to overheat or melt the plastic. Once it's warm, gently try to bend it back into shape as described in the previous step. Allow it to cool and harden in its corrected position to maintain the new shape. Step 4. Test the device. After you have straightened the bent component, it's time to test the device to ensure it's working properly. Reconnect any cables and ensure the device powers on without issue. Check your internet connection and make sure the device is performing as expected. If the device still isn't functioning properly, it might be time to consult a professional or contact TP-Link customer support for further assistance. Step 5. Implement preventative measures. To avoid future issues, consider implementing some preventative measures. This might include positioning your TP-Link device in a spot where it's less likely to be knocked over or using cable organizers to prevent stress on your connections. Keep your workspace tidy to prevent accidents that might lead to bending or breaking. Fixing a bent TP-Link device doesn't have to be a daunting task. By assessing the damage, gently bending the affected part back to shape, using heat where necessary, and thoroughly testing your device, you can restore it to its optimal functionality. Always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. By taking preventative steps, you can safeguard your device from future damage. Now, your TP-Link device should be back in action, ready to provide the connectivity you need. Happy fixing.